Why does society function the way it does? This question, both simple and complex, forms the very bedrock of a field of study that has fascinated thinkers and scholars for centuries: sociology. In the early 19th century, the term sociology was coined by Auguste Comte, a French philosopher widely regarded as the father of sociology. Comte believed that a scientific approach could uncover the laws of society, just as science had revealed the laws of nature. Thus, the first steps towards understanding society were taken, marking the birth of sociology. However, sociology as a discipline didn't truly begin to take shape until the late 19th and early 20th centuries. During this time, thinkers like Karl Marx, Emil Durkheim, and Max Weber began to examine society from different perspectives. They questioned the status quo, sparking heated debates about class struggle, the role of religion, and the nature of power and authority. These debates laid the foundation for many of the main issues that sociology continues to grapple with today. Throughout the 20th century, sociology evolved alongside major social changes. The civil rights movement, the feminist movement, and the rise of globalization all influenced the direction of sociological study. Sociologists began to look more closely at issues of race, gender, and economic inequality, exploring how these factors shape society and the individual's place within it. In the 1960s and 1970s, sociologists turned their attention to the concept of social stratification. They examined how social class, education, and occupation contribute to social inequality. This research helped to shed light on the ways in which individuals are sorted into different social positions based on their social and economic resources. In the 1980s and 1990s, sociologists began to focus on the impact of technology on society. The advent of the internet and other forms of digital communication transformed the way people interacted and the way information was disseminated. Sociologists studied the effects of these technological advancements on social relationships, identity formation, and the spread of information. Today, sociologists continue to explore a wide range of topics, including the effects of social media, the changing nature of work, and the role of social institutions in shaping individual behavior. They use a variety of research methods, including surveys, interviews, and observations, to gather data and analyze social phenomena. Sociological research helps us to better understand the complex social forces that shape our lives and the world around us. Fast forward to the 21st century, and sociology continues to evolve. In this digital age, sociologists are increasingly turning their attention to the impact of technology on society. They're exploring how social media influences our relationships, our politics, and our sense of self. They're also grappling with new challenges, such as the spread of misinformation and the rise of cybercrime. But why is all this important? Why should we pay attention to sociology? Well, at its core, sociology helps us understand the world around us. It sheds light on why we behave the way we do, and how our actions shape society. It helps us make sense of complex social issues, from racial inequality to climate change, and ultimately, it equips us with the tools we need to create a fairer, more inclusive society. Sociology, then, is not just a field of study. It's a way of seeing the world, a lens through which we can understand the complexities of human behavior and society. And in a world that's changing faster than ever, that's something worth paying attention to. So, the next time you find yourself wondering why society functions the way it does, remember, there's a whole field of study dedicated to answering that question. And who knows? You might just find that sociology holds the answers you've been looking for.